Okay, I'm hoping that you didn't get freaked out by the whole messiness part of this quadratic, but if you got x equals -9 plus or minus the square root of 137 all over 2, you're awesome. Move to the last phase. The final phase is messy, messy, messy. So look for that. We're gonna go over this so that people who didn't get that answer can figure out where they went wrong. So we have our constant. We're going to move first. So we're going to have x squared plus 9x equals, and when I move this over the equal sign, this is going to be a positive 14. Now, the next step is to literally complete the square. So I'm going to take my b term, which is 9, and I'm going to take half of it, which means divide it by 2, and this does not divide clean. So I'm going to leave it like that, okay? And then what I'm going to do is square it. So 9 times 9 is 81, and 2 times 2 is 4. And that's what I'm going to put on both sides of the equal sign. Now, it's time for me to complete the square. So that means that I should have one parenthesis. This 9 halves is what goes in this spot. This is going to be x plus 9 halves. And I need to do a common denominator. So I'm going to put this 14 over 1. And the common denominator is 4. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 4. And 14 times 4 is 56. And then I have 81 over 4. And I've got to add those together. So that's what gives me the 137. I know that seemed a little high. Over 4. That's what that comes. So again, real quick, I'm going to rewrite just so it's a little clearer. And this is where I'm going to do my square root method. The x plus 9 over 2 comes out. This needs a plus or minus. I'm going to do plus or minus the square root of 137, and I am going to take the square root of 4 and get 2. Lastly, I'm going to subtract the 9 halves over. And my final answer is -9 plus or minus square root 137 all over 2. There you go. Last phase. Let's get it.